Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Da kamensi manno senyang bat ban kentiu ya kejela Meghalaya baro kawai kamtam bakan longru kajing mentoi na kebenta ki khun samla kejela ki badan hapadeng kajing kerduk kam kerduk jam ka ITFAA haringkat kajing kershan da ka sarkar Meghalaya bat kador bar shnong lat umkhra kala pelong ya ka yo Khaïi hapo nong ba Shillong ya ka balatip kum ka 23rd International Shillong Trade Fair 8000 apusan Hama dan Ïewrynghep lat umkhra Haka ne kayo Khaïi kabalas dang nadu kasantrik ubanay leber bat kaban sakut no haka arpundru terik ubanay leber arhaja apusan kiladan hadu shispa teli tam kidukan kibaladi ya kimar jongki bat lasakhiru ya kajing wantu jongki pat ba nakaleng ki jaka ban wan thiet ya ki tiar kitar kimar ki mata ki jingbam ki baper na kate kayo hakate kayo kidan kitiar ki balai pojat ki bakan thup omtang Napoh ki jela jongkari India Hynrei lawan ra ya kitiar kitar nadu nari Egypt Lebanon Ghana Afghanistan Turkey Thailand bat Iran habayo banyakren bat Rajesh Das ubadai Vice President haringkat bat Umit Das ubadai General Secretary ka Shillong Trade Fair kilayathu banalor ki jela ki badan hapo kari India kiladan ru hadu hnyotli kiri jongka perthai ki balawan bande ya ki mar ki mata barban wani shimenta ha kate kayo pin inam kite kinong yalam kilayathu obakane kayo yadi yathiet kadai ya kabala pelong hakasien ka baar pulai bat kadai ru kayo yadi yathiet kabala rimtam hapo kajela Meghalaya bat kabawan baar kum kayo kabala rimtam ha kajela jongka than chatei lamingi kari kilayathu ru bahakane kayo kidan kinong dia ya ki tiket ha kaba kinong job baningkong kinyo ra ya kasong pisa kaba shilak kibawan baar kinyo ya kasong pisa kaba sanpau hajar bat kibawan kibalai kinyo arpusan hajar shu kite kinong yalam kilaong bakajing pelong ya kani kayo pin inam kalalong ru kum kalat ai kam ai jam ya kisamla kajela bat kum ju ru kalalong kum kanuksa bat kajing ai jihi kaya kisamla bakin yang halaki jongki kijat nakalyang kite gibrio kibalawan na bar kari kilapan pau ya kajing skokemen kabakraw banyas no oktilang bat kinong penya jong kani kayo bat kilapan pau ru ya kajing kemen ban wandi ya ki mar jong ki sha kani kayo da kababan rap bakipat ba ka Shillong kilong kibrio kibabha bat kibasko tanat bha
To our store. It's entirely from Kashmir. We'd like to show you some of our finest things. This is macadamia nut. You got to use this small key for it. Just need to break it down. Actually, my hand is slippery. I was using this poly bag. Can you please do it for me? We will show you how it is. This is the pure caramel inside. You can try one. Yeah. high in proteins, dietary fiber, omega-7. And we'd like to show you some more of our like organic stuff from Kashmir. This is saffron, and seem like we have this face serum. Kashmiri kahwa is there, and we have honey all the way from Kashmir. And besides this, if you want to see something, this is Itar, white oud. Besides this, we have saffron oil. Saffron oil is there. And if we talk about the dry fruits, this is the wide range of dry fruits, completely organic. And let's take you to the next step. This is roasted section. Pistachio is there, cashew is there. And if we talk about the Arabian dates, it's there. This is the Arabian, we called it majdoor. And then next to the lifelong thing, there's a wise saying like this thing can cure all the disease except death. It's that advanced in, like, you know, if we talk about the medicine point of view. I'll show you something which is completely different. You might have seen this thing first time. We call this snow mountain garlic. Ek pothi lasan in Hindi. Thiamine is there. If a person is suffering from diabetes, sugar, cholesterol, he or she can use it like 2 to 3 pieces early morning. So what I was telling you about this snow mountain garlic is this. Ek pothi lasan in Hindi. If you want to know the detailed scale about it, here it is. This is the best antioxidant for body. It can cure arthritis. If there is an attack damage in the heart, you know, it removes the clot formation in the heart because of its medicinal properties, as I said you. The next stage is anjeer. We called it fig, dry fig. Then move to the next part. This is the almond, Kashmiri mamra badam, high in magnesium, calcium, zinc, phosphate, and the most important thing is Kashmiri Shahi Kahwa. I'll show you the one piece. We have 2 different flavors in it. The one is instant, ready to use. I'll open it. Sorry, I need to ask my fellow. Just open this one till the date. I'll show you the one more. This is pure organic, having saffron in it. Everything is added in this. This is the sugar-free for the diabetic and all patients. This is all we have. This is bunakka. There are like some other seeds. Chia is there. Flex is there. Melon is there. Pumpkin is there. Sunflower is there. We have some online facility for our customers as well. It's all over the India. The delivery is free of charge. You can check. There is our details. Like you can contact on this. This is the delivery will be free of order, and we are available at all the respected events of the said respected organizer. We are really thankful about the footfall of the people. This place is really doing magical for us all the time being here. Feeling blessed to be the part of this event.
Tell us your name and where are you from?
My name is Eunice. I'm from Ghana, West Africa.
So, to Shillong.
Oh, my experience coming to Shillong has been good. We have been working with this organizer for many years. That is why we keep on coming. And people of Shillong also is good. So, at the end of the day, we are still here. The exhibition has been extended from 24th to 26th. We still have more days up to Wednesday. The public should come and see what Ghana have and what the organizers have brought to Shillong.
So can you tell us about your products from Ghana?
My product, okay. Can you come round? We have Masai. This is Masai. This is Masai. This is a Christmas, a Christ birth. I think Shillong is 90% of Shillong is Christian. Yeah. We have these masses. This is our tradition way of decorating our house. It's not God. It's just a show piece. Yeah. This is our basket, our traditional basket. It's made out of wood, grass, and it's washable. Yeah. We have our traditional pot. We have this pot. It's wood. It's made out of black wood. You call it here, but it's called ebony. Yeah. After cooking, you can keep it in. You can put your dry fruit and everything. We have different types. We have all these figures. that is made out of black wood. We are inviting the public.
So can you tell us about the price of your products?
Well. We have prices from 500 up to. It depends on the size and the way the craft is. We have masterpiece. So we are inviting the public. We have this family also. This is made out of ebony. So the public should come. I know Shillong people is good, so they should come and see what we have. Thank you. Bye bye.
So how's your experience coming here, selling your products in this Shillong fair?
Selling my product, I think Shillong people travel a lot and they know the quality. So they know what I have brought here and they are not complaining. And this is not my first time. I have been here and they know the quality that I have.
So this is your second time?
This is my fifth time.
Fifth time?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
I am Rajesh Das, Vice President of Shillong Trade Fair. He is Meet Das, he is General Secretary. And this fair has started from 5th of March and will continue till 26th of March. As you can see, this time we have 7 foreign countries participating in the fair. Thailand, Afghanistan, Lebanon, Turkey, Egypt, then Ghana is there, Iran is there. Apart from the 7 countries, we have many stalls from different parts of the country, from different states. As you've already seen the fair, we have almost all the products that India has to offer is present. So it is very interesting, and secondly, this fair is organized by IFA and supervised by the Dorbar Snong Laimukra, and is also supported by the government of Meghalaya. So this is the 23rd time. This is the oldest fair in Meghalaya and the second oldest in entire Northeast India. Apart from the fair, we have a very interesting food court, an international food court. We have delicacies from Afghanistan, Turkey, Lebanon, and also Indian food. And most interestingly for the visitors, we have very attractive prices on entry tickets. That is held every year on the last day of the fair. This year also the first prize is 1 lakh rupees, second prize is 50,000, and the third prize is 25,000. Yes, there's a minimal payment for all the stalls, but for the foreign stalls, most of the foreign stalls, we generally don't take payment because we have to welcome them, otherwise they don't want to come to the farthest part of Northeast India. And secondly, for some foreign participants, we also look after the feeding and lodging. Apart from that, we give free space to the some local entrepreneurs, startups. So there are many free stalls. Last year there was local food stall also, but unfortunately this time they could not open it. So some of the stalls, around 60% of the stall, 60 to 70% of the stall, we charge a minimal payment so that we can run the fair. We can pay the construction and other things.
Also, local youths get employment opportunities over here.
There's around almost 100.
All over from India.
Yes, India and outside India. It's very good. I mean, this fair is always very popular. Otherwise, we would not have survived for 23 years. So it is very popular, and especially among the school and college students, because we have free entry for the school students in uniform. So if you come in the morning hours, you will see the entire fair filled up with school children. And apart from that, we also don't search from the senior citizens. Yes, every year because every year it is an annual event in Meghalaya for the last 23 years. This fair actually doesn't belong to us. Frankly speaking, this fair belongs to the people of Shillong in particular and people of Meghalaya in general. Today,
the Khaïi Students Union, which is the most powerful students union in Meghalaya and one of the most powerful in the country itself. They invited the foreign participants and over lunch, and that is a very, very great gesture from their side. They have honored all the foreign participants, and we had some very healthy discussion. They have greeted, they have said that you are welcome to our state, and they said we are sure that you're coming to this part of the country, that with the foreign participant, this will play a very important role in the economic development of the state. And apart from that, the young people, the young youths, they will get an opportunity to look at the foreign products, and also the local entrepreneurs will get an opportunity to interact with the foreign participants. So this is a great platform, international platform. We are thankful to the Khaïi Students Union. We are also thankful to the KHADC who have extended their support, and the entire credit goes to the Laimukha Torbas Norms because they are the main strength behind this fair. Yes, because as he has already said, you will see the entire workforce is local from Shillong, Khaïi boys and girls. So they have been with us for so many years. They have, made connections with all the participants, and some of the youths are taken by the participants to the other parts of the country, which is a great exposure for them. So I think this is a great message to the local youths, local students. As I have already told you, all the school children visit the fair in the morning hour. So they are getting an opportunity to interact with the participants from across the country and across the globe. And I think this is a great education for all of them.